How to set up Logitech Webcam on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Step 1. Connect the webcam. Plug the Logitech webcam into a USB-A or USB-C port on your Mac. If your Mac only has USB-C ports, then use a USB-C to USB-A adapter if necessary. Step 2. Check if your Mac recognizes the webcam. To check, tap on the Apple menu and then go to System Settings and tap on the Privacy and Security option and further tap on the Camera option. Ensure apps like Zoom, FaceTime, or Google Meet have camera access. Also, test the webcam. Open FaceTime or Photo Booth to see if the camera is working. You can also test it in Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. And for better control over settings, that is brightness, zoom, autofocus, etc., you can also install the Logi Option Plus or Logitune from the Logitech official website. So this is how you can set up Logitech webcam on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.